aircraft up. Nice landing. We'd like to be the first to welcome you to Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. Local time here is approximately 4:17 p.m. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all items stowed until the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please make sure you have all of your personal belongings and use caution when opening the overhead bin compartments, please. You're now more than welcome to use your mobile phones and small...
4957 O'Hare, wind 03010, running 10 left, Delta Delta, line up for wait.
10 left, Delta Delta, line up for wait, 749.
2197, show left.